1930 Ford Model AA truck. As you can see, this one is in very nice shape. A little history on this truck. It was actually a business's vehicle that is in our area here. It was brought to us, I suppose it was 7 years ago, give or take, 6-7 years ago. And we sold it to another local business just right down the road from us, which was actually a nursery. And they used it at their nursery to display things. Just kind of had as a conversation piece and sat inside their building. And pretty cool old truck. Very well taken care of. The first business that had it, it was with the family forever. It was with that family for a long, long time. So this truck's kind of always been in our area. We've known about it. It was repainted, restored along the way. As you can see, stake bed box on it, and has always retained a very nice shape since it was redone. These AA trucks were actually powered by a 201 inline 4-cylinder. They're geared a little bit different than the regular Ford Model A trucks, at a 4-speed manual in them, and they have a reverse lockout for safety reasons and what have you. So a little bit different than the Model A trucks, so more of a commercial industrial they would have been considered back then. If you'd like to see the still pictures on this, so you can see the underside of it, check out the engine bay, the interior. The still pictures can be seen if you look down below this video in the description area. There's a link. You can click on that. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Or feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions that you may have on this truck. Now, we do consider trades and financings also available, even on the classics. As you can see, it still has the logo from the original business. Those are down the road from us, about 30 miles, 40 miles, I suppose. Retains a stock style cloth bench seat. And again, these are just kind of a commercial industrial truck back in the day. Sorry, I can't get far enough away from it to kind of show you the whole thing, but try to do my best here. Stake bed. And this is kind of what the nursery used to display their plants or trinkets or what have you that they were selling at that time in the back of this. And like I said, kind of a conversation piece. So it's got the dual rear wheels on it. Stake bed is a nice shape. We have fun truck for parades or just tinkering around with. Taking to maybe some of your local shows, local cruise-ins. We'll fire it up too. Not a bad runner or driver. Again, check out the still pictures. You can see the interior of this and underside pictures. They can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com, or like I said, look down in the description underneath this video. There's a link. Click on it. It'll take you there. Again, our phone number, 507-386-1726. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. You can see in the paint in this, see my reflection has a nice luster to it. It's not perfect, or it's not a real high end, but for the look of this truck, gives it a very, very good look. Again, kind of just the cloth style bench seat that you would have seen in these in the day. No frills, commercial truck. Let's go ahead and start this up. All right, down underneath the dash under here, there is a fuel valve. I want to turn that on first. I can find it here. All right, that is on. I should have the timing and everything set. I shouldn't have to choke it. Listen to that baby start right up. Listen to her purr. Make sure we're neutral. There's the amp gauge works. Again, there would be the choke. They do have a little air fuel ratio. Make sure you can turn your timing and retard here. Or throttle, I guess I should say, in timing. We got her set about right. See how nicely that door and everything fits too? Considering the old trucks like this, I don't always see that, let alone in the Model A's. Listen to that thing purr back here. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's take a little pause on this video, and I'm going to open that hood up so we can check out the engine bay and you see this thing run. Alright, I'm just going to pop the one side of the hood open there. See how neat and tidy it is? See how smooth that thing's running? Pretty simple back then. Now they had these guards down in here. If you're familiar with the Model 8, you don't always see those in there. A lot of times you're looking right down at the ground. And there's kind of a splash guard or what have you, trying to keep the engine bay clean. Not sure. All I know is that you don't always see those in them. How cool is that? Let's do this too. I'll show you the other side. I'll show you something over there. See if I can do this one-handed here. Wanted to show you this here. In the day, here's your heater. Top of that manifold. Air slipped in right at this end, went through the manifold, and they hoped that some made it through there and got forced into the hole and into the cap. And then when it comes summertime, they put this plate on that would block it off, so it wouldn't go in there and take it off in the winter. There was your heater. So I guess this is pretty highly optional. There you go, 1930 Ford Model AA truck. Stake bed, nice runner as you can see. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, take you to uniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this truck shipped to where you're located at. Give us a call.